Good morning, dear student. Welcome to this new class. Um, we're going to see a very funny and good topic that is called preposition of place. Okay, so I need to tell you the objectives of this class. That will be in speaking, you will ask questions and answer questions about some places. For example, if someone asks you for some information about one place in particular, you can answer properly. And also, if you need to information about some place, you can ask properly. Okay. In the part of reading, you will recognize the information clearly. For example, if you have a map and you don't know how to read it, you can find the place that you want. But if you can read it, you will there very easily. Okay. So in the part of writing, you will be able to construct your own sentence and questions to ask information. Okay, in a matter in a writing manner. So to start the class, we are going to do a small dynamic that, and I need that you form groups for students, in groups of 8 of 10 students, please, because we are going to do an activity very easily. So I need you to hurry up. So once you have the groups formed, we're going to tell you the rules. So the rules are the next. The first person in the group will start by saying the following sentence. Yesterday, I went to the market and I bought some fish. Okay? You need to learn this and don't forget because you need to repeat this first sentence and your other partner um, add one more thing to that phrase. Okay? For example, one student said, yesterday I went to the market and I bought some fish. The other one, the next student says the same phrase. Yesterday I went to the market and I bought some fish. And also he add some bananas. So the next one need to say, yesterday I went to the market and I bought some fish and some bananas. And also I bought some ice cream, for example. Okay, you need to do this and um, to start the class. Okay. Okay. Very good. We end this activity, so you are with energy to begin class. With the topic, the main teaching input is preposition of place, as I said. And what are preposition of place? You may ask. Preposition of place describe the position of a person or thing in relation to another person or thing. For example, we um, we have here a map with some very few places like high school, library, hospital, barbershop, sports center, bar, a coffee, uh, a drugstore, a bank, shopping center, grocery store, and also the streets, the Pine Street, the First Avenue, the Second Avenue. So what it means that prepositions of place describe the position. For example, I need you that you respond the uh, these questions. Where is the bank? We need to find the bank in this picture. So the bank is right here. Okay. So what is the properly way that you need to say where is the bank? For example, if you are in a grocery store and someone asks you, where is the bank? Please help me. I need to know where is the bank. You have to say the bank is across the First Avenue, near to the shopping center. There is the bank. Or you can say the bank is uh, between the drugstore or a shopping center. Okay. Now the next question is similar. For example, someone or you need some information to where is the shopping center, and someone says, for example, you are in the coffee place, and you ask where is the shopping center. They can respond like this: the shopping center is in front of the hospital and the library. Or they can say the shopping center is walk down the Pine Street. On the corner is the shopping center. Okay, so here we have some examples of prepositions of place and also given directions. I need you that you write this in your notebook and your workbook because um, you need this to learn and to achieve your abilities with this. So, for example, preposition of place: beside, next to, near, to the left of, to the right of. And also, we are going to practice the pronunciation because it's very important that you um, speak clearly. Okay, so we are going to continue. The next word is between, behind, in front, across from, kitty corner to, around the corner from, on Main Street, on the sixth floor, at 415 Main Street, on the corner of Main and 41 Street. Okay, and given directions are walk, go, walk down, go down, go up, and walk along, go along, walk straight, go straight, turn left, turn right, head down, head up, make a left, make a right, turn the corner, go around the corner. Once you already write all these examples, please let me know. You have 5 minutes to write all this because we are going to pass to the another activity. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, now I need two of you, because we are going to practice more uh, um, more examples of this. As in the beginning, I said that you are going to talk properly. So this is an exercise to practice. Please come with me and read aloud for the old class. The bookstore is beside the coffee shop. Okay. The movie theater is next to the library. The bus stop is near the school. Bakery is to the left of the supermarket. The pharmacy is to the right of the laundromat. The parking lot is behind the mall. The newsstand is in front of the subway station. The park is across from the school. The coffee shop is kitty corner to the bank. The convenience store is around the corner from my house. My office is on Main Street. The doctor office is on the sixth floor. I live at 450 Main Street, and the gas station is on the corner of Main and 41 Street. Okay, as you can hear, we also uh, practice better listening, because with this exercise, we are going to train our ears. So, for example, with this, I think it's very clear because it's a very easy vocabulary. So, if you heard some word that you don't understand, please tell me. Okay, so for example, in the second example, the movie theater is next to the library. What is the meaning of next to? We are going to pass away. For example, next to is this. In the example says the movie theater is next to the library. We are going to the map. Here we are, library, and we have a hospital. So we need to change hospital for the movie theater. So the library is next to, in this case, hospital. Is one side is next to, okay? And also we can say between here because it's between the library and the barber shop, okay? So for the next example, someone uh, to have another though. The park is from the school. We're going to say that this is the park, okay? And in the map is grocery store, but here we're going to say it is the park. So in front is the park is in front of high school, or high school is in front of the park. It's very easily, so you can understand very fast. So we are going to continue the class. So, for example, of giving instructions. For example, where is the school? You need to answer where is the school? If you are here in the sports center place, the answer will be the high school is go up the Pine Street on the corner of the First Avenue and in front of grocery store. Some examples of giving instruction. Please, I need 2 more students to read it to the whole class. Okay, let's start. Walk 2 blocks. It's a 45 First Avenue. Go 1 block down Main Street. It's next to the Starbucks. So this is related with the questions. Where is the school? Okay. Where is the school? Walk down Main Street to the top lights. It is on your right. Just go down Main Street. You can miss it. Walk up 41 Straight Avenue. It's across from the movie theater. Go up 41 Straight Avenue for 3 blocks. It's between the bakery and the laundromat. Walk along Main Street. It's only a few minutes from here. Go along Main Street until you see the mail. It's right next to the mail. Walk straight down 41 Straight Avenue. There's a bus stop in front of the bank. Go straight up Main Street until you get to the corner. It's just across the street. Walk 2 blocks, turn left on Main Street. It's right around the corner. When you get the first 41 Straight Avenue, turn right and go 1 more block. You'll see it. Head down Main Street. You'll see it on your left. Head up 41 Avenue until you get the park. It's kitty corner to the park. Make a left on Main Street and go 2 blocks. It's between the supermarket and the library. Walk 1 block, then make a right on Main Street. It's near the nail. Head down 41 Straight Avenue, then turn the corner and you'll see it on your right. Walk up 2 blocks, go around the corner. It's the first building on the right. Okay. Okay, for the next activity, you need to tell me one by one a preposition or place. For example, one student said between, the other one need to tell me the answer of questions that I'm going to ask you. So you tell me one preposition of place. Between. Okay, very good. So the next, you. Where is the bank? The bank is between library and barbershop. Okay, the next one, tell me a preposition of place. Next to. Very good. You tell me where is the shopping center? The shopping center is next to the library. Okay, you tell me another example of preposition of place. Someone says between. Okay, so where is the coffee place? And your answer is the coffee place is between the hospital and the electronic device. Okay, let's continue with this class. For this activity, I'm going to give you a worksheet, and you need to respond these two questions. For example, the first question says, look at the map, then draft and drop the buildings in the correct place. We are going to start um, with the with the park, for example. Where is the park? The park have trees, so is this image. This image is here. Where is the museum? The museum, I think, is this. Okay, where is the hospital? The hospital is this. Where is the school? School, I think, is this. Where is the supermarket? And this. Okay, so you need to put in the right position this image with these words. Okay, and the next question is, where is it? Make sentence with the given words. For example, school and park. We are looking here, school and the park. So we need to use the school is next to the park. The next one, library and supermarket. Where is the library? Here. And supermarket is here. So the answer is the library is in front of the supermarket. The next one is hospital and museum. Hospital is here and museum is here. So hospital is next to museum. And the final one is cinema, supermarket, park. Cinema, supermarket, and park. So cinema, cinema is between the supermarket and the park. Okay. So this is the final part. We're going to know that what are preposition of places. Give me a minute. You already know it in your work book. So preposition of places are uh, or describe the position of person or thing in relation to another person or thing. Okay. So for your homework, you need to observe your neighborhood, the things that are in your neighborhood, and using uh, uh, that to prepare a series of sentences. For example, one says, I live next to my friend Marco, and there is a store across the street. Or you can say, in front of my house, in front of my house is a park, or next to my house is a bank. You know, you need to observe your neighborhood and prepare some series of sentences with a preposition of place or making questions with their respective answer. Okay, so that's all for this class. Thank you very much, and I say goodbye.